In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT Pricing Plans 2026. Is ChatGPT Premium worth it? By the end, you'll know exactly which plan matches your needs, how each tier differs in speed and capability, and when paying for an upgrade actually saves you time. Let's start with the free plan. This gives you access to the basic ChatGPT experience with limited usage. It's great for casual use, like quick questions, simple explanations, or drafting a short message. You'll get standard AA responses and general assistance, which is perfect for learning the ropes or handling straightforward tasks. Just keep in mind, during busy times you may notice slower performance. If your usage is occasional and you're not in a rush, the free plan delivers solid value without any commitment. Next is the Plus plan, which is a monthly subscription. The primary benefits here are faster response speeds and access to newer AI models with more advanced capabilities. You'll also see better performance during high-demand periods, which means less waiting and more getting things done. This tier is ideal for students working through study guides, creators drafting content more regularly, and frequent users who want reliable access. If you often open ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, refine writing, or iterate on code and you hate hitting delays, Plus aims to keep your flow moving. Then there's the Pro, sometimes called the Premium plan. This is designed for heavy users and professionals who push the tool all day. You get higher usage limits with priority access, so your sessions stay responsive even when everyone else is online. You'll also find advanced tools that support research, content creation, and productivity. This makes it especially useful for businesses, marketers, and developers who need consistent throughput and the flexibility to handle larger or more complex tasks. If your work depends on AI every hour of the day, this level is built to keep pace. How do you compare the value? The free plan works well for occasional questions and learning. Paid plans primarily save time by offering faster, more reliable access, which adds up when you use the tool frequently. Premium tiers provide stronger AI performance, so complex prompts tend to flow more smoothly. Ultimately, the best value depends on how often you use ChatGPT and how much delays cost you. So, is ChatGPT Premium worth it? It's worth it for daily users who rely on AI for work, especially for content creation, brainstorming, and light automation. If your use is light or infrequent, free may be enough. If speed, advanced tools, and higher limits matter to your workflow, Premium will feel like an upgrade from day one.